Before we get started, somebody in the comments has been bugging me to review this. Now, to be honest, hindi ko alam kung saan galing anime or IP property or show tong character na to. But never na never ko to ibebenta. This is a Bear Brick 1000%. Hindi ko to ibebenta because this is a gift from DJ Big Boy Cheng. And of course, pag binigay, if it's given, if it's gifted, you take care of it. So just so you guys know the background. Yeah! So in today's episode, we have this ginormous mega mystery box from the brand Anker. So titingnan natin kung ano yung mga accessories, ano yung mga gadgets. Ang dami niya. Kasi talagang, grabe. Mag-enjoy tayo guys. So tingnan natin what's inside. Let's go. We know naman that it's ECQ. And with ECQ and the lockdown, we want to improve and upgrade our home and our work from home spaces. So itong unang gadget na papakita ko sa inyo from Anker, this is one of my favorites. I have it on my workstation over there and my workstation over at my other office. This is the PowerPort Atom PD4. So ganito yung tsura niya guys. So you use this and you plug it to the outlet and then you put this on top of your table or just below you. Think of it as like the mega extension cord for everything that you need. Kasi meron siyang dalawang USB ports and dalawang USB-C ports that can charge even 2 laptops at the same time while charging all of your other devices. In short, ito lang kailangan mo. Lahat ng kailangan mo i-charge, pwede na. Now, if you're like me, we probably do a lot of calls from home para sa trabaho natin, para sa school natin. And this is one of the best wireless earphones that you guys can get. So this is Soundcore by Anker Liberty Air 2 Pro. Now, sound quality-wise, panalo. But what makes this really stand out is that it has 6 built-in noise cancellation mics. So what that does is if you're doing your calls, if you're doing your conferences, or if you just want to blot out the world, it's able to do that. And it uses whatever technology it has to make sure it filters the sound that you don't need to hear while you are doing your calls or listening to your favorite music or watching your favorite movies or Netflix series. Apart from that, the carrying case looks ridiculously awesome, and to open it, you slide it upwards, which is something you don't see every day with true wireless earphone cases. Angas nyo tingnan. Now, in case you're looking for a power bank, this is literally God tier in terms of capabilities. So this is the Anker PowerCore Plus 26800 PD 45 watts with the PowerPort Atom 360 watt speed combo. This is so juiced up with reserve power that it can charge your laptop, your phone while you are on the go. Actually, multiple devices as it has multiple ports. The 45 watts USB-C port is able to charge a MacBook at least one full charge if this power bank is fully topped up. And size-wise, it just looks like a regular power bank. Now, if you guys are looking for a security camera, a wireless security camera that you don't have to, alam mo yun, paghirapan nyo, na isa-set up nyo pa, na sobrang sakit sa ulo gamitin, this is one of the best products that you can check out. It's the Eufy Cam 2. So it's wireless to set up. One charge is 365 days or 1 year. And it even has two-way voice communication. So kung naghanap kayo ng security system, this is one of the absolute best, easy to understand, easy to use. You can easily take a look at all the footage as well as yung real-time footage nung security cameras ninyo. Last but definitely not the least, kung naghahanap kayo ng katulong to clean your house, this is one of the gadgets that you should definitely take a look at investing in. This is the Eufy by Anker RoboVac G10 Hybrid. So the special thing about this one compared to the other options in the market is that it's 2-in-1. It sweeps and it mops. It has voice communication and voice assistant, and it also has amazing suction power. So kung naghahanap kayo ng isang bagay na automatically will clean your floors, will sweep your floors, will clean, lalo na if you have pets, you have cats, nagkakalat yung balahibo nila, or you have dogs, you have that dander all around, and you don't want to go through the effort of sweeping and mopping every day, this is a great option to consider. Again, this is the Eufy by Anker RoboVac G10 Hybrid. So let me know which of the gadgets that I showed you guys like the most today. Malay nyo, we might raffle away one of them to one of you guys watching today's episode. O, diba? Exciting. So again, maraming salamat to Anker Philippines and to Eufy. The link to all of the gadgets as well as their prices is listed down below in the description box as well as pinned in the comment section. Okay, yun na yun guys. So medyo mahaba Whew, that was a long day. So actually it's already, it's a kind of late. It's almost 9 o'clock in the evening. So right after me talking to you kanina about the different gadgets, it was just a whirlwind of calls. So sobrang nakakapagod at medyo wala na nga akong boses. Ewan ko kung napansin ninyo. So this will be a very quick vlog. So we'll end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed. All the links to all of the gadgets that I just featured can be found down below. You can buy them on Lazada. And I'm sure you will enjoy and find most of, if not all of them, super useful. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. As usual, this is Carlos signing out. See you guys again tomorrow. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.